You're looking for a fan? Gardening, camping, just hanging out that you could simply turn on and do your gardening work, clean up. This fan may be something that you are looking for. We're going to show you what this fan is all about. From AJVV, it's a 20,000 milliamp tabletop hanging fan with 3 levels of light and runtime. We're going to show you what's in the box and how it's packaged by opening up. Got a nice tab to remove. Lifting up and out, we have the fan, the instruction guide, the cables, remote control. Please remember to peel all film off the products. I removed the tab for the battery. On the bottom is a 2025 CR lithium cell, replaceable, a USB-C compliance cable, and a TT15 user manual in a number of languages to go over. Rated at 5 volts, 2 amps for the charging at 15 watts. We have a dual fan, 3 levels of 1, 2, and 3 hours of timer, and 3 levels of brightness with oscillating mode. Handle. Underneath will be a hanger hook that you pull out and hang up. Padded rubber feet, 4, made of plastic and swivel all the way around. On the back, you have an area for little storage, like put a phone. For the remote control, locks into place, camping, RV, in the car, in the workplace, in the attic, a basement, by your desk, where you need to have a fan. Charging a fan or charging a smartphone or any devices with your own cables and more. On the side is a silicone door. Charging external products like an AirPod. They turn on automatically and charges. That we have here is a charging port. Firmly press in and the unit will charge with 25, 50, 75, and 100% increment. Allow the unit to charge, and when fully charged, pull out. 170-degree handle, swivel, on the bottom, a hook to hang on the wall with your own optional screw, and down, feel, press down, and lock, and adjust accordingly. With the fan oscillating motion, the wall mount, the fan will swivel around and blow down or up on one side, or reverse for the opposite side, or angle it so it could blow in different types of angles. The fan on, rotatable 360 degrees, and the fan off, slowing down the speeds to the off position. A close-up look at the fan turning on and to the increment speeds, and the fan going to the off. We have the oscillating that will turn on when you turn the fan on and oscillate. To stop the oscillate, press. Turn the light on is press 1, 2, 3, and off, low, medium, and high. Set the timer is press 1 for 1, 2, 3-hour timer. Manually turn off. The fan will level to the beginning. As we turn the fan on, we oscillate and turn off. The fan will turn to the center and beginning. And off. It is a quiet fan on low It has a number of speeds up to 13 with audible beeps as you increase. It has an oscillating fan that will oscillate to shutting off, centering. It's a 20,000 milliamp battery, takes a few hours to charge and a number of hours to run. The higher the fan speed, the shorter the run time. As we turn on the fan and you can listen to the beeps, that is the highest and the noise the fan makes as we lower it down. The level of light. We'll go into a dark area and show you the light level. Low of 4 LEDs, medium, and high. Shutting the fan down altogether will keep the light on. The light is a manual control and must be shut off manually. We have a light on in the background. We need to turn the fan on in order to get the light to come on, and when in the off position, we could raise the light up. As the light hits the wall, you get to see what it looks like on high, low, and medium. The remote control. This is what it looks like. And we'll go over the remote control. In the centers, on and off, on the top and bottom are your fan speeds, left and right are your light speeds. On the bottom, you have an oscillating, and then you have a wind control and your timer. Turn your fan on. Over to the light, turn the light on. Now you're able to turn the light into off and on to the highest level. You have a wind speed. It shuts everything off, all the lights. It goes into a quiet mode. Press it again, it turns back on. You can increase and decrease your fan speed. It's two-blade system. The front is blowing and the back will suck. Shut the fan off, it drops down. It's a fan for outdoor, indoor work areas, boating, camping, in the car, at the workplace. Put it on the desk, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your fan if this is what you are looking for your cooling needs. Check online for further details about the make, model, and colors and the fan. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.